Hello everyone, welcome back to Medicopedia. This is part second of our compliance and regulatory question series for the AAPC CPC exam. If you have not watched part 1 yet, be sure to check the link in description box before continue with the CG. If you have not watched part 1, be sure to check the link in description box. In this video, we will practice 20 more question, compliance and regulatory question. After each question, you will get 5 seconds to think before I reveal the correct answer. So let's get started with question number first. What type of health insurance provide coverage for low income family? Option Medicaid, commercial PPO, Medicare, commercial HMO. Right answer is A, Medicaid. Question number second. Who is responsible for enforcing the HIPAA security role? OIG, OCR, HHS, CMS. Right answer is B, OCR. Question number 3. Which option below is not covered entity under HIPAA? Medicare, BCBS यानी कि ब्लू क्रॉस ब्लू शील्ड, मेडिकेड, वर्कर कंपनसेशन. Right answer is D, worker compensation. Question number 4. Which of the following is a benefit of electronic transaction? Option payment of claim, timely submission of claims, security of claim, none of the above. Right answer is B, timely submission of claims. Question number 5. What form is used to submit a provider chart to the insurance carrier? UB04, ABN, CMS 1500, provider reimbursement form. Right answer is C, CMS 1500. Question number 6. Which of the following services are covered by Medicare Part D? Inpatient chemotherapy, minor surgery performed in a physician office, prescription drugs, skilled nursing facility service. Right option is C, prescription drugs. Question number 7. AAPC credential coder have proven mastery of what information? Option code set, evaluation and management principle, documentation guideline, all of the above. Right option is D, all of the above. Question number 8. Local coverage determination are administered by NCD, state law, each regional MAC or NCCI. Each regional MAC. Question number 9. A covered entity may obtain consent of the individual to use or disclose PHI to carry out all what of the following? Option for public use, payment, treatment or healthcare operations. Option public use. Question number 10. What is NPI? Option National Payer Incentive, National Provide Index, National Payer Identification, National Provider Identifier. Right option is D, National Provider Identifier. Question number 11. Which act was enacted as a part of the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act of 2009 and affected privacy and security? Option HIPAA, HITECH, SSA, PPACA. Right answer is HIPAA. Question number 12. The AAPC offer over 500 local chapters across the country of the purpose of membership dues, continuing education and networking, regulation and bylaw, financial management. Right answer is B. Continue education and networking. Question number 13. In what year did HIPAA become a law? 1995, 1996, 1997, 1993. Right answer is B. 1996. Question number 14. The 2012 OIG work plan priority which of the following topic for review? Option: fracture repair, dystrophic nail care, lesion removal, E&M service during global period. Right answer is E&M service during global surgery period. Question number 15. The Medicare program is made up of several parts. Which part cover provider fees without the use of private insurer? Option: Part B, Part A, Part C, Part D. Option is correct answer, Part B. Question number 16. Which of the following choice is not a benefit of an active compliance plan? Option: eliminate risk of an audit, fewer billing mistake, increase accuracy of provider documentation, more accurate payment of claim. Right answer is eliminate risk of an audit. Question number 17. Which provider is not a mid-level provider? Option: anesthesiologist, all choice and mid-level provider, physician assistant, nurse practitioner. Right option is A, anesthesiologist. Question number 18. What document assist provider office with development of compliance manual? Option: OIG compliance plan guidance, OIG work plan, OIG suggested rule and regulation, OIG internal compliance plan. Right option is A, OIG compliance plan guidance. Sorry for spelling mistake. Question number 19. LCD only have jurisdiction in their locality, region, state or district. Right option is B, region. Question number 20. What does MAC stand for? Option: Medicaid Administrative Contractor, Medicare Administrative Contractor, Medicare Advisory Contractor, Medicaid Alert Contractor. Right option is B, Medicare Administrative Contractor. Congratulations, you have completed all 20 compliance and regulatory questions in this series. I hope this question help you strengthen your concept for the APC CPC exam and medical coding interview. If you found this series helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Medicopedia for more CPC exam practice question, medical coding tutorial and interview preparation video. Thank you for watching and all the best for your APC CPC exam. See you in the next video.